Sophia.
And I'm Cecilia.
And today we're here with Allison Kermans, environmental scientist from the Environmental Protection Agency.
Today we are going to answer some of your most burning questions about the environment. Let's begin.
What do you do in your job at the EPA?
Sure. I'm a climate scientist at the EPA, and so part of my job is to do scientific research on the impacts of climate change. And part of my job is to communicate that climate science to people like you.
What is the ozone layer and how does it help us?
The ozone layer is a layer of ozone that's very high up in our atmosphere. And we also have ozone that's on the ground level, and we know that as smog. And so if you've ever seen a city with that gross gray level of smoke above it, that's smog, that's not good for us. But the ozone that's way up high in the atmosphere is very good for us because it protects us from the UV rays that come from outer space and bombard Earth.
How is the ozone layer being broken down, and what can we do to stop it?
The ozone layer is being broken down by different pollutants, mostly by something called CFCs, which stands for chlorofluorocarbons. And these are chemicals that used to be in things like hairspray or spray deodorants, anything that was aerosols. And when we sprayed them, they went way up into the atmosphere, and they broke down the ozone in the ozone layer and created a hole.
How many types of pollution are there?
Oh, there's lots and lots of different kinds of pollution. There's pollutants in the air, and pollutants in the water, and pollutants in the land. And some of the things that you think might not be a pollutant at small amounts could be a pollutant if you have a lot of it contaminating air or water. So just about anything could be a pollutant if you had it in the right amount or too much of the substance.
And lastly, what simple everyday things can we do to help our Earth from pollution?
Some things that you guys could do would be to ride your bikes more, or carpool, or take public transportation so that you're not driving as much. Or think about things you could do in your home or your school to use less energy. So maybe that's using more efficient light bulbs, or turning off lights, or having more energy efficient appliances. Anything that uses less energy will help there be less air pollution and energy production.
All right. Thanks for taking your time out of your day to answer our questions.
And there you have it, folks. That hopefully answers at least a few of your questions about the environment.
Tell your friends about this video. Let's keep this planet clean.
Like, share, comment, and help prevent pollution.